Good afternoon. We have breaking news for everyone. There's a gigantic earthquake that created a huge tsunami. We will choose a child and an adult to explain us how they feel. Let's start with a child. Hi, little girl. Are you fine?
No, because I don't know where is my family. I want my family. Can you help me?
Yes, sure. But help you with what?
Help me to find my family. I'm only going to the bathroom. Wait here.
Wow, the children in Japan are really scared. So let's help them. Now we're going to see an adult to see how they're feeling. Hello. Are you feeling okay?
No, I don't know where is my baby girl. She might be dead. Come here, little baby. Come here. Come on.
Okay. Wow, the adult is sad also. Okay. We're with Inês Dourado. Bye!